See how she does. Oh, get over. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get away from the snow. Oh my gosh. Get away from the snow. Oh, yeah, I didn't do it. Couldn't go through a construction zone with snow. Didn't work out well. Won't come back on. Doesn't like being on the the left-hand side of the. Finally came back on, huh? And she doesn't like that at all. Oh, she doesn't like that at all. This is pretty good. This is better than it did 2 months ago on 10.69. Oh, that was going to go over in front of that car. That wasn't good. That was terrible.